Hello, back again, and I've decided to go with the blue. The glass is on. I don't know how bad it's going to reflect, but there it is there. And just doing a stress test. Been going for the last hour. CPU temps and the GPU seems to be working good. As I said, I've got the GTX 1060. It's only a 3 gig, but I'll put it in there in the meantime until I get a new one. Got some white cables. Yes, splashed out on the Temu mounting, GPU support bracket RGB thing. I wasn't into all the flashy lights. I'm not here for a disco. If you haven't seen the previous video, a Temu motherboard, which is the ASRock Pro B550 512 gig NVMe M.2, in other words. That came out of my other computer. Some Temu fans and the $30, so that's American dollars, that'd be something like 20 bucks, 22 bucks for a Ryzen 5 5600G, and the guy said it was stuffed, and as you can see, it's running perfectly. And I've got one of those desks that raises up, so I can sit there and stand. I've got a preset. Gorilla Gaming. Yeah, the mouse pad's a bit bloody, well, the desk cover is a bit messy. That's what I was going to go with, is the Ryzen 7 5700X. But yeah, I got this CPU really cheap. Shitty mouse keyboard. That's the one I stepped on or snapped in half, but the cover seems to be alright. Old school Microsoft mouse. Some JVC headphones, they seem to be going alright. The fan curve, I'm not really pleased with that. I might be looking at some more fans. As you've seen, I've put the Noctua, whatever you pronounce it, fan in the front because the RAM sticks was too bloody close. And when I get some more RAM sticks, I'm going to have to remove it completely and go for another CPU cooler, which might go for one of those water ones, because I do have the grills up top there, so I can do the water cooler closed loop, maybe up there if you can see that in there. But yeah, it's way better than that piece of poo over there, the Z230, which is a 4-core 8 thread, and this one here is a 6-core 12 thread. And yes, I have seen a big improvement. It is wickedly fast, but mind you, it's about 4 years old now. Settings, no, not settings. Quality, I do have it on ultra, if you can just see that. Yeah, the GPU is maxed out at 100%. The CPU temp seems to be sitting on about 43, 42. The lowest is about 39, so that's not too bad. As I said, it's been going now for about an hour and 5 minutes. I started filming after it's been running for an hour. 130 odd frames per second on high, everything turned on. Where can I show you the settings there? So that's running at 1600 by 900. Yeah, I'm pleased. Running Windows 11, of course, it makes a big difference. Windows 11 Pro. Yeah, I might go down the rabbit hole and get one of those screens that can tell me the temps, and make a little bracket off the bottom here, off these holes, and got a little 3.5 inch, so I'll make a video on that as well once that comes out. And I'll be looking for some other fans. I have done no cable tidying. Yeah, people are go, what the F is that? Yeah. Yeah, so I'll have to change all that. SSD. Another Temu, 250 gig, just sitting at the back there. Yeah, Temu's cheap and nasty. But hey, if it's cheap and it works, why not? So there you go. And my desk, and that will be going over there. Not quite sure how I'm going to do my monitors, because I don't really want to drill holes in my desk here. Right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.